Today we're working on lesson 25, apply for Word. So you should have open the document that I have. Go ahead and save it with your initials at the end into your OneDrive, and we'll start with step 3. In the blank paragraph at the top of the document. So we're going to click right up here so we're in the top of the document. You'll see the cursor flashing. We're going to insert title document property from Quick Parts Gallery. So we're going to click Insert, and over here you're going to click Quick Parts, and we're going to go to Document Properties, and we're going to select Title down here, and then you're going to have this box here, and we're going to type for immediate release. And that completes step 3. So down here where it says student name, I want you to highlight where it says student name, and we are going to use the Arthur field from the Quick Parts Gallery. So click Quick Parts, Document Property, click Author, and you're going to see right here where it's got student name. Go ahead and type your name, and you'll see that it has this Author right above it. You can now click outside of that. Then replace today's date with the published date. So up here, just highlight today's date. Go to Quick Parts, Document Properties, go to Published Date. When you do that, this is going to come up and say Published Date. So click the down arrow and then click today's date, and it will insert today's date. And then click outside of that. So if you hover your mouse over each of these, you'll see that there should be something there. So when I grade this, I'm going to make sure you've done that instead of just typing it. Step 5, display the building blocks organizer. So click Quick Parts again, click Building Blocks Organizer. It's going to open this up, and select and sort the building blocks by gallery. So click right up here where it says gallery. If you click that, it's going to sort them in order by the gallery. Select and insert the Ion Dark built-in footer. Right now it's Autotext BibLux, so you got to scroll down till you get to the footers. You want the one that says Ion Dark, and then click Insert, and you'll see that it's inserted that footer. So we can close the header and footer now. We're on step 6. Copy the blue bold formatting from the text Voyager Travel Adventure. So if you'll click up here in this where it's got blue, click Format Painter, and it wants us to do that to the text Voyager Travel Adventures in the last paragraph. So if you will highlight Voyager Travel Adventures, you'll see that once I click the Format Painter on it, it will now paint that blue. Step 7, copy the paragraph formatting from the first paragraph to the second, third, and fourth paragraphs. So I'm going to click in the first paragraph, doesn't matter where. I'm going to click Format Painter, and I'm going to highlight the second, third, and fourth paragraph. Make sure you don't go to the next one, and you'll see that it changed the format of that text to match the paragraph above it. We are now on step 8. Insert 2 snowflake symbols, Wingdings 84 to the left of the subtitle Winter and Yellowstone. So I'm going to click before the Winter and Yellowstone. I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to go over here to Symbol. I'm going to click More Symbols. If yours probably doesn't say Wingdings, it doesn't matter what this says. Even if it said something up here, if you'll click the down arrow and drag it down till you see Wingdings. It's a great word, Wingdings. Click that, and your snowflake is right here. If you'll click that and then click Insert, and then close. I did it twice because I knew that it was going to tell us to do it twice. 2 snowflakes and 2 to the right. So it doesn't matter if you can do that again, but I'm going to just copy these 2, right click, copy. I'm going to go to the end of it and I'm going to paste them. So now I have 2 before and 2 after. Doesn't matter how you do it. Apply, step 9 says apply blue font color from the standard palette to the first snowflake and then apply bold. So I'm going to highlight this first snowflake. I'm going to click on the Home tab. Right here on the A where it's red now, I'm going to click that and we want to select blue, which is that one, and then bold. Step 10 says use the Format Painter to apply these formats to the remaining snowflake symbols. So I'm going to double click Format Painter and then I'm going to highlight that snowflake, come over here and highlight, I meant to do both of them. So if you, by double clicking on the Format Painter, it's going to do format for everything you do. So then you'll need to click away from the document to deselect that. Oops, I just applied that. So the Format Painter, you don't see the paintbrush on anything anymore. Step 11, just click just to the right of the word everyone in the last full paragraph. So that's right here. We're going to click right to the right of that E. And we're going to insert an em dash from the Special Characters tab in the Symbol dialog box. So if you'll click Insert, go over here, click the down arrow on Symbol, go to More Symbols, and right here where it says Special Characters, click that, and we want the one that's right here at the top that says em, and then click Insert, and then Close, and then it says press Delete. So when you press delete, it removes that space that was right after it. So there should be no space between that. Highlight the word wasteland in turquoise. So right up here where you've got wasteland, if you'll highlight that word and click on the Home tab, right here the yellow thing is the highlighter, so click the down arrow, and we are looking for turquoise, so highlight that. Highlight the text 5 Day 6 Night and the year 1998 in pink. So 5 Day 6 Night is right here. I'm going to highlight that, and this time I'm going to click it from here and pink. This is pink, and then 1998 in pink as well. Step 14. Highlight in yellow the sentence, "This rugged adventure is for experienced winter campers only." So that's this sentence up here. So I'm going to highlight that sentence. I'm going to click on the highlighter, select yellow. 15 says check and correct the spelling and grammar. So if I click right at the beginning of the document and go to Review, Spelling and Grammar, I'm going to ignore this and then click OK. And I have now done everything. Step 16 says to print it, which we're not going to do. So save your changes and submit your document, and that's it for apply number 25.